Hello, y'all. I'm watering the babies. Say hello to the baby cucumbers. Don't worry, they won't get hurt by the sun on their leaves because, like, the sun's going down. And I got this barrier here now, too. Okay. I'm just gonna water them all. These are my pumpkins and gourds. Ooh, Crocs and socks. But they kind of needed water, so guess who's getting water? These guys. Oh, here's my baby. My mom, I thought that one wouldn't make it, and that's because she still had it in the cup. I'm just gonna make sure each one gets like a dollop. Other than that, it'll just soak into the ground around them, and their roots can spread for it. I don't know who put this here. My onions are coming up. Careful, hose. Yosh. Also, my beet's doing well. I just got like one beet, and then the rest are onions. And you can see them coming up. So you got this guy, and these ones, and I don't want any soggy onions, so I'm just gonna throw on to tomatoes. The water's cold. My hand's turning blue. My hose is broken too. Like my dad just don't want to get a new hose. Also, the water seeps through this. It just kind of like puddles at the same time. See, like it goes under. I want to like flatten it a little bit too, because as the weather hits it, it'll flatten down, and as it gets walked on, it'll flatten down. And they each get like a bit of a dollop. It's like weathered down and such. Don't want to get caught. Oh, and the white stuff is that 7. And this also kind of just runs downhill a bit, so after I hit these plants with a bit, I can like hit as I go down with a little less and less depending on where the water flows. Also, a few of these peppers were added in after the tarp was down, because other than that, the rest were added in before. Oh, if I get my socks wet, I'm going to be so mad at myself. That one don't need much because it's wet, but this one's like a little more uphill and needs some. And so is that one. And this one I'll get a little more, as well as this one. Oh, it's puddling. Oops, sorry, babies. Now let me turn around and make sure I got these ones. My zucchini here. It's a nice big zucchini. And then my summer squash. The thing is, summer squash is supposed to come before zucchini. Okay. I'm gonna just wet the cardboard a little. No reason. Make sure these guys get a little more. You guys got your drink? Yep. Y'all are good. I know the chickens need water. I'm just trying to walk the thing out. Up the hill. I need enough hose to make it over there. Oh, got stuck on the chair. Hopefully it's not kinking. This hose is terrible. Hey, Anna! I gotta go down. Hey, girls! Got an 18 right now. And one's a rooster, so hello, y'all! Yeah? I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy. Can't do eggs right now because water's still going, and that's a you shouldn't be doing that. Hello. Eat the worms. Love your worms. And you need close up. Oh, you need food and water. Here. You can... I don't want to put you down. Watch them for a moment. You can watch them for a moment. I need to go over here. I'll get you food. Let me start getting you water first. Okay, hose is in. Whoop, almost ran over your feet. Be careful. This isn't their feed, but like... Wall climber. Not spider hen. Anyway, they still like it. And my dad decided to give them some, and they didn't get sick from it, so... Oh yeah, this is collapsing in. And I have, like, a minimal... Whoop. Sorry. I have a minimal amount of chicken money. Because I sell their eggs, and that's what's going to pay for your new pen, is the eggs you lay. And I'm also supposed to move this chicken coop out there, so we all are going to get a new location too, so Dad can have grass in his yard there. And it's overflowing, so I need to run and shut that off real quick. Trash, otherwise we'd use it as a trash bag in the garage, but the garage is shut right now. Water outside nozzle. Water inside nozzle. Hee hee hee. I can go there for now. They always like to undo this part, and I've noticed if you put it in the top thing, it undoes less at the time. There. And this side stayed in, so they're going to be distracted by food for a moment. Ready, sit, in. Get off. Get. Have fun getting run over. Sorry. I told you to get off. Put that on because it helps stop them from jumping inside, laying eggs, and getting stuck. Don't jump on each other. You haven't had no food for that long, trust me. They get hungry quick. Quick tip. Hi, you're very pretty. Yeah, pretty girls. I put like hay in here because like that helps with standing in their poop up to chicken knees. I'll lock this. Close this. Okay. How many eggs? Okay. Okay. Yeah, poop box. Okay. And look. If we move a few of these top ones real quick, we can see that we got a soft one. And all that's in here right now is the yolk because the white's like evaporated. And what I'll do with this right here is I'll just... And yep, they can't tell the difference. 25 eggs, and if I do the math, 2 dozen plus 1 egg. And there's 12 per dozen. And we sell them for $4 a dozen. And this is 2 days worth of eggs, I want to say. So yeah.